M&M Sugar Cookies are about to be your new favorite snack. Welcome back to our channel. It is Eitan, and today we are making what is basically going to be your new favorite snack of all time. These cookies are so delicious and so easy to make. Literally anyone can do them. All right, over here into our stand mixer, we're going to add 2 sticks of softened butter into there. We're going to add in our white sugar and spill a little bit, and add in our brown sugar, and we're going to now, okay, the brown sugar doesn't want to come out. There we go. And let's now mix this together until it is fully combined. Next up, I'm going to crack 2 eggs into our bowl. You know what? Let's do a little one-handed crack. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I still have it in me. Bada bam! Yeah, all right, I broke the yolk, but no one saw that. All right, add those into there. We're also gonna add in some vanilla extract and now cream that together. Before you add in the rest of the ingredients, make sure to lower it down, scrape down the sides just to make sure that it is completely incorporated. Add in all-purpose flour. And as always, the full amounts are in the description box below. We're also gonna add in baking soda, baking powder, and some salt. Let's mix it together until just combined. Once it starts to come together into a dough, we're gonna add in half a cup of our M&Ms. Now don't worry, that's not all the M&Ms, that's just the start. Okay, that just came together. Perfect, now we're going to take it out of here. You don't wanna mix it for longer than you need because then you will start incorporating gluten, which we do not want. Let's get this all off of here. Now we're gonna cover this with some saran wrap, put it into the fridge to chill for 1 hour. My dough has now finished chilling and I am breaking it into little balls. It's gonna be quite tough after it has been in the fridge. So just use some force to form it into about 2 tablespoons worth of balls of dough and place it onto your cookie sheet. Now you're going to take some extra M&Ms, place them into your hand, and you're actually going to press them into the top. The secret to getting that beautiful top on these cookies is we are actually going to press in some additional M&Ms before we bake and after we bake. Let's pop in the oven at 375 for about 11 to 12 minutes. Our cookies have finished baking. Let's quickly now take them off of the baking sheet. I kind of let them sit already for about a minute or so, but then you want to immediately take them off the baking sheet. You're going to want to move quick for this part because the next step is super important that the cookies are nice and hot. All right, the cookies don't look that fabulous right now, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the M&Ms and press them into the cookies, and then they will melt in from the residual heat. Now, you may feel like your life is a lie and you thought this whole time the cookies just came out of the oven looking like that. Unfortunately, they do not, but fortunately, you can literally just do this and then they look absolutely incredible. So let's just do that. Now the secret for how to make perfect every single time M&M cookies has been exposed. We may as well just give it a try. Wow, these cookies are delicious. They're gonna be a new favorite. The sugar cookie itself is already delicious. Then you have those M&Ms on top that just take it to a whole other level. Super flavorful, super crunchy from the cookies. The outside of the cookie, you have the crunchiness of the chocolate, the gooiness of the chocolate on the inside because it is nice and hot. You guys have to try this. The link to the actual recipe is in the description box below. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button to be the first when I post new videos and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching. Comment down below what is your favorite flavor of M&Ms. I would love to know. And yeah, all right, thanks for watching. Feeding me. I'm going to be devouring the rest of these cookies. Bye.